Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue. Change account type is grayed out in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This problem usually happens when you're trying to switch a user account from standard to administrator or vice versa, but the option is disabled or unavailable. It's often caused by missing permissions, corrupted system files, or local policy restrictions. Let this get started. Step 1. Enable administrator account via computer management. Open the search menu and type Computer Management. Click the result to open the Computer Management window. In the left panel, double-click Local Users and Groups. Click on Users. Double-click the Administrator account. In the Properties window, uncheck Account is disabled. Click Apply, then OK. This will reactivate the built-in administrator account that may be required for switching user types. Step 2. Change account type via Control Panel. Open the search menu and type Control Panel. Click to open Control Panel. Set View by large icons in the top right. Click User Accounts. Select Change Your Account Type. Now you should be able to switch between standard user and administrator even if it was previously grayed out. That sets is all. Hopefully this tutorial helped you fix the issue with changing your account type. If so, feel free to check out more guides on the channel. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.